Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do just a really simple no foundation summer makeup look. I personally work outdoors a lot over the summer and I like to look, really polished and made up without wearing a ton of makeup, a full face, and having to travel with a bunch of products with me and just kind of feeling heavy. So this is a really, really light look that is based on tinted moisturizer and concealer. And I'm also going to give you a quick tutorial on how I let down my braid out at the end. So hopefully this is really helpful, gives you guys some ideas, and enjoy the tutorial.
Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind, on my mind, on my mind, 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 mind. Would I leave if you were everything I wanted you to be? When I saw what you did, who you were with, got me questioning the things that I believe. So I asked myself, do I let you go? Do I keep you in the frame of my mind? Now I'm growing wise to your sugar-coated lies. Nothing sweet about my misery. I finally found what went wrong. I finally found the wrong in you. I finally found what went wrong. I finally found the wrong in you. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind, on my mind, on my mind, 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 mind. You again, why'd you call? I don't need to hear you crying out my name. Unlike before, when you and I lay eye to eye, now it's time for you to taste the bitter end. So I ask myself, do I let you go? Do I keep you in the frame of my mind? Now I'm growing wise to your sugar-coated lies. Nothing sweet about my misery. I finally found what went wrong. I finally found the wrong in you. I finally found what went wrong. Well, I finally found the wrong in you. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind, on my mind, on my mind.
Alright, so I'm pretty much at the end. I used the new MAC Powder Kiss lipstick because I saw Alyssa Ashley use it and I found like the perfect nude for me, so I was really excited. The shade is Impulsive. But what you'll see me do afterwards is I just put a little bit of oil on my hands. I take out all of my braids gently as possible. And it looks pretty chunky once you do that. So at that point I just take each individual chunk of the braid that's still there. And wherever it naturally separates, I just kind of pull very gently and slowly from the tip all the way to the root, wherever it's naturally separating, and then I just kind of fluff with either my hands or a pick. I just use my hands here because I was going for a big fluffy look. So hopefully this was helpful. You guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and if you didn't, exit out the browser you entered.
Waking up to the same things. I don't think that they get it. In the trunk got blessings. They just wanna keep leverage. Everything has been changing. I don't wanna hear nothing. Turn the music down, name drop. In the park with a bad bitch. All these niggas so lame now. I just wanna ride. Looking back, I've been thinking how